Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by prepping the robot correctly. Charge Dash to full using the supplied 12V adapter, because initial calibration needs stable power. Once done, place Dash on a flat surface with a 1 meter clear radius so sensors can learn the environment. Next, connect your phone to Wi-Fi and open the companion app. Accept any firmware update prompts so software matches hardware. This early ordering prevents false errors and speeds the first calibration cycle, which you will see begin in the app. You now perform calibration and mapping so Dash navigates reliably. Run the app's guided calibration and follow each prompt for head orientation, wheel trimming, and sensor checks. Then, manually drive Dash slowly along room boundaries and around furniture so it records edges and landmarks. Do this twice from different start points for redundancy. Once the map looks correct, save a snapshot and label critical zones like dock, kitchen, and high traffic areas so automatic routes use those anchors. You're ready to run autonomous tasks. Start the routine and watch the first 2 runs to confirm path accuracy and obstacle handling. If Dash drifts more than about 10 cm or hugs obstacles, make incremental adjustments to speed and sensor sensitivity in settings, then rerun the route. If Dash becomes unresponsive, reboot the robot, verify Wi-Fi and battery voltage, and rerun calibration. This resolves most issues. Remember, systematic changes and observing results lets you isolate problems quickly and keep Dash reliable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.